Shadow, come and see. C is for cat with sprinkles bright. C is for candles blowing light. C is for castles strong and tall. Catch the sea fun, come one, come all. C is cool, come and see. Animals, fruits, and things with me. C is cool, come and see. Learn and spell so easily. Crabs crawl sideways, cannot stop. Cherries so sweet, they're quite the top. Cactuses thrive where rains don't go. Sea sounds surround us wherever we stroll. C is cool, come and see. Animals, fruits, and things with me. C is cool, come and see. Learn and spell so easily. Carnacy, come and see. Crab's cool, come and see. C is cool, come and see. Animals, fruits, and things with me. C is cool, come and see. Learn and spell so easily.
Hi friends! Today we're going on a fun adventure with the letter C. Are you ready? Let's go! Look, our first animal is a cat. Cute, fluffy, and loves to purr. Camel. It has a hump and lives in the desert. Crab. It has claws and walks sideways. Cockatoo, a smart and talkative bird. Crocodile, it swims and has big teeth. Time for some yummy sea fruits. First, we have a cherry, small, red, and super sweet. Cherry, small, red, and super sweet. Cantaloupe, a melon that is orange inside. Coconut, hard outside, sweet inside. Clementine, a small, easy-to-peel orange. Cranberry, tiny, tart, and super healthy. Now, let's look at some cool things that start with C. Car, vroom vroom, it takes us places. Cake, sweet and perfect for birthdays. Cup, we drink juice or milk from it. Classical guitar, a cool musical instrument. Camera, click! It takes pictures. Wow, so many cool C things. Let's cheer CCC, yay! That was so much fun. You learned animals, fruits, and things that start with C. Which one was your favorite? Tell us in the comments. See you next time in Kitty Candyland. Bye-bye.